Graham back again, and welcome to another product presentation. And today I want to explain a little bit about an exciting product here, good for everybody, called Paradise Nutrients High Energy Super Minerals. Now these are not just any normal minerals. Paradise Nutrients Super Minerals has a combination of minerals, vitamins, amino acids, but the minerals are plant derived. And we're going to go and talk to Molly shortly and get a full explanation of how these minerals work in the body. And the ingredients in these minerals assist in the formation of energy in your cells, providing energy for your body, for your brain, and of course, where does it come from? Well, it comes from the soil, from the sun, and the process that nature provides through plant-derived minerals. So let's go and talk to Molly now and get some education and understanding of how the process works in our body to produce energy and how these minerals, or minerals from plants, make a very, very good energy source for the body.
Thank you, Graham, for giving me the opportunity to present another amazing Paradise Nutrients product. Are you feeling a bit sluggish and needing some more energy? Well, maybe Paradise Nutrients Supa-Minerals are for you. Nutrients for energy come in many forms, including minerals, sugars, fats, amino acids, and more. Did you know that it is your cells in your body that makes your energy? Cells need energy to accomplish the tasks of life. To create energy, our cells need nutrients. These nutrients must come from foods that have been broken down by our digestive system and absorbed into the bloodstream. These nutrients are then absorbed into your cells and go through a special process that involves breaking down the nutrients and converting them into adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is the cell's energy currency. Our energy source originates and is dependent on nutrients from the soil and the sun. Plant cells harness solar energy and use it to make complex organic food molecules that other cells rely on for the energy required to sustain growth, metabolism, and reproduction. Nutrients required by cells come in many forms, including minerals, vitamins, sugars, fats, amino acids, and more. Your cells even need certain minerals to help other nutrients be absorbed and cross the cell membrane. When in the cell, the nutrients are converted by the mitochondria, known as the cell's power plant. The mitochondria turns these nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is the cell's energy currency. Paradise Nutrients Supa-Minerals provides a banquet of plant-derived nutrients needed in the process and transformation of nutrients. Plant-derived nutrients are extremely important. Not only do they contain minerals from the soil, the minerals and nutrients have been through the plant process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process where minerals are converted from metallic minerals into colloidal minerals. The elements involved in this process includes minerals, hydrogen, carbon, water, and the sun. This process combines the minerals and nutrients that carry energy from the soil and energy from the sun. The plant then uses this energy to further produce vitamins, amino acids, and more, even releasing oxygen back into the atmosphere. It is important to note that ATP is the main source of energy for most of our cellular processes. It is also important to note that the main building blocks of ATP are carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and some trace minerals. These elements come from both the soil and the atmosphere and rely on the sun to do its job of photosynthesis in the plant. Two trace minerals critical in this process are chromium and vanadium. These minerals help with the transition of nutrients that help regulate glucose and lipid metabolism, which can impact cell nutrient absorption. Chromium helps regulate blood sugar by enhancing insulin action. Insulin is a hormone that transports glucose into cells. Chromium may also help break down fats and carbohydrates and stimulate the synthesis of cholesterol and fatty acids. Vanadium may mimic insulin and could potentially be beneficial in diabetes management. Vanadium may also play a role in bone growth and the synthesis of cholesterol and fatty acids. Chromium and vanadium can be found in food, but the body doesn't absorb them that well. Only 1 to 5% of vanadium is absorbed by the body from foods. Vitamin C may increase chromium absorption. Paradise Nutrients Supa-Minerals are all colloidal minerals and are more absorbable than non-plant derived minerals. Colloidal minerals are much smaller than metallic minerals and assists with nutrient synergy in your body. The Paradise Nutrients Supa-Minerals contains a broad spectrum of nutrients that not only will assist with the energy process in your body but also assist in providing nutrients the cells can use for energy production. Another important thing to remember is you don't only need energy for muscle strength and exercise. You need it for your brain function. Did you know, your brain will use at least 20% of the energy your body produces? So if you are doing a lot of computer work, you will use up more energy. Did you know, your brain accounts for about 20% of the body's energy consumption, despite only representing 2% of its weight? That's around 0.3 kilowatt-hours per day for an average adult. More than 100 times what the typical smartphone requires daily. And it's equivalent to 260 calories or 1,088 kilojoules a day. An average adult's total energy intake is around 8,700 kJ a day. No wonder many people are dazed and tired working on computers, watching videos and texting on phones. So if you are lacking that get up and go or daily tasks look too much, give the Paradise Nutrients High Energy Supa-Minerals a go. You may be surprised.
Well, thank you, Molly, for the amazing information and knowledge that you've given us on how minerals work through the cells to create energy for the body. Thank you, everybody, and have a good day.